Now that we've programmed our scenes, we can label them, along with our zones. To do so, press the keyboard key. Type in the desired name of the button you wish to label. And double tap the button. In the same way, naming a zone, enter the desired zone name, and double tap the zone key. We can also make scene buttons visible or invisible. If we only have a need for 5 scene buttons, we can hide the remainder by clicking them in the naming menu. A red button is visible, a grey button is invisible. If we press the back key, we can see now our scene has been named, as has our zone, and only 5 scene buttons are visible to the user. If we're configuring this screen for other users, we can go back to the settings, and we can hide the record button, and we can hide the keyboard button. In this way, when in a zone menu, the user doesn't see the record arm, nor the keyboard button, so is unable to make changes. The settings can then be locked with a passcode to avoid inadvertent changes being made. Enter the passcode, double tap the label, and press the cross to enable the passcode for settings. Now if a user tries to navigate to settings, they'll be prompted to enter a passcode. In the same way, a passcode can be set to protect the edit menu. Enter the desired passcode and double tap the label, being sure to enable the passcode before pressing back. If we now go to our zone settings, select the edit key, the user is prompted to enter a passcode. This avoids unauthorized users having access to the edit settings in your artPlay screen. For more information or resources on the artPlay touchscreen, or to explore our other control solutions, visit artisticlicense.com.